Windows 8 Consumer Preview can be downloaded free from the Microsoft website. To install the 64-bit version, you will need 2 GB of RAM, and for 32 GB version, you only need 1 GB of RAM. And remember to copy down the product key. VMware Player can be downloaded from the VMware Player website. You can install it on Windows 7 or Windows XP. The advantage of using a virtual machine is that you would not mess up your existing operating system. First thing is you start your VMware Player, select Create a new virtual machine, and you choose where you have downloaded the ISO image. You need to select the ISO image you have downloaded. So you can either choose the 32-bit or the 64-bit. So here I choose the 64-bit. And then click Next. You would like to choose Other, and in the version choose Other 64-bit, and then click Next. Type in a name for your virtual machine and then choose a location. Where do you want to save the virtual hard drive? Click Next. For the 64-bit version, you need at least 20 GB, but here I will enter 120 GB, and then click Next. You will need to click on the Customize Hardware. For memory, the minimum is 2 GB, but since I am generous, I will choose 4 GB. For the processor, I have 4 processors, 4 CPU on my computer, so I will give it 2. And if you are running on the 64-bit, you can give it Intel virtualization technology. Or you can simply choose automatic. For CD-ROM, just use the ISO image you have previously downloaded. If you want USB support, you can choose the USB controller, and you will be able to access your USB device. Click Close. Click Finish. After you start the virtual machine, this will be the first thing you see. So you just choose English, and US. Click Next. And then click Install Now. It will say Setup is starting. Now you copy down the serial number you have copied down before, and then click Next. Say Accept, and click Next. Click Custom Install, and then choose the 120 GB that I have just created, and click Next. It will take a while, and now is a good time to take a coffee. I got some sort of error. Since the 64-bit version installed with a crash, so I'm just going to install the 32-bit version. And this time the installation is successful. I can choose my personalized background. You can just choose Use Express settings. And now you will see the start screen. If you use the mouse wheel, you can browse through all the settings. That's it for the installation, and tomorrow I'm going to show more detail how the Windows 8 Consumer Preview supposed to work. Thanks.